Hi, I'm Jake, one of the co-founders at Frienedy. Let's take a look at what Frienedy has to offer. Once you've signed up and logged in, let's get started. If you have a child under the age of 13, you can start by giving them parental consent to use the site. To do that, click on the Children's tab, then click Add a Child. From here you can fill out the information for your child. Since your child is under 13, we'll need to validate you're a consenting adult. So go ahead and finish filling out the form. And lastly, the email address. This email address will act as the email address for your child's login. We suggest using a COPPA-compliant, kid-friendly, free email service such as Microsoft Outlook. Now to validate the parental consent, we click Validate and go through the parental consent form hosted by Consent ID. Here you'll see the parental consent request, and you can continue to the policy by clicking here. Here's a quick description of the privacy policy, as well as the data collected and the network. You can click Approve, and then from here you can either log in via an existing Consent ID login, Facebook, or without logging in. Once here, you simply enter the last 4 of your social via the identity check, or by using a credit card to do the credit card verification. Once validated, Frienedy will automatically send an email to the email you entered in the child form, and once that invitation is accepted by your child will show up here under Your Children. Next, let's set up a private group. To do this, navigate to the Groups drop-down here and select Create a New Group, or we can navigate to the Groups tab here and select Create a Group. Let's give our group a name and click Create. From here we can navigate into our group by clicking this card here. Now we can give our group a profile picture by clicking the profile image, then selecting an image from your device. Let's add an item to the wish list. To do this, we click Wish List, then Add a Wish. I'm going to add some cool new basketball shoes I saw online. To start, I'll give my wish a name. Then I'm going to copy the link to the item here. Copying that. And pasting that into here. Then click Add. We can also create an album to share privately within the group. To do that, click Albums, then click Create an Album. Give it a title, then click Create. Then we can click this card to go into the album. Then from here we can upload items for my device. You can upload pictures, videos, and documents. I'm going to upload some of these pictures from our latest ski trip. Once uploaded, you can add comments to the documents by clicking on the document, then adding a comment in the Post a Comment field. Then click Post. To exit out of the document view, click the X in the top right corner. We can also use the private group to host our group's calendar. To add an event to the calendar, go to Events, then click Add an Event. Here we can give our event a title, description, start and end date and time, location, and a URL if your event has one. Once filled out, just click Save. Now that we've added some content to our group, let's invite some friends to join. To do this, we navigate to the Members tab. Click here, then click Invite a Member. Once our members have accepted the email invite to join, we can start a private chat within the group under the Chat tab here. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this quick tour of Frienedy.